Hello everybody, I'm Shefali Ranawat from Prismat. Today I'm here to interview Ms. Mrinalini Nair and Ms. Sudhana Shankar. So tell us something about you.
So I've been doing classical dancing, like now it's been 16, 17 years. So I started off with Bharatanatyam. I did it for 10 years. Then I did Mohiniyattam. And now I'm doing Kathakali. And I started Kathakali when I saw my brother doing it. So first he was into this dance form. Then that inspired me a lot. The whole concept was like very interesting for me. So now I'm into Kathakali only. It's been 8 years I'm doing Kathakali. So yeah.
Wow. What about you?
Yeah, so we started from the same age. I think we were in first grade when we started off. It's again been 17 years. So I'm doing Bharatanatyam only. I did my first solo stage performance when I was in 8, and since then I've been performing with my gurus professionally, like around the country. And then we joined the same college, and then we got in the same dance group where we do Western styles, which I think is helping us a lot.
There also we sometimes do classical at beach.
But I think so now that we're learning Western dance forms, it's really helping us understand the whole our body and our movement. So I think that's going great as of now.
Your families, are they supportive with this thing?
They're very supportive because obviously when you're putting your child into classical training, it requires a lot of patience to get them to classes, to invest in whatever requires. So, because classical forms require a lot of there's a lot of jewelry, there's stage, and it involves a lot of money. So I think they've been very supportive in that way. But now that I've chosen like this as my career, so they're a little worried. Because there's no source of constant income here. So obviously they're worried. But I think they'll be fine in some time.
Also, dancing is one profession where you'll find millions of people who are better than you, thousands who are like you. So it's a very tough competition there where you can, actually be one in the crowd and that the one. So it's very important when it feels very good when your parents are there beside you and they're like, they're supporting you, they're always there. Yeah. Even if we are doing good or even if we are not doing anything and we're like sitting at home, they know that, our child is doing something good, it's something productive. So yeah, they have been very supportive all this while till date.
Okay, so कब आपको ऐसा लगा कि dance is something you want to make a career in?
Basically, it's like whenever I'm on stage, जो reaction हमें मिलता है ना, वो that feeling is just out of the world. So उस चीज़ के लिए मैं कितनी बार भी उस स्टेज पे जाने को तैयार हूँ. मतलब वो अगर हम मैं ये नहीं बोल रही किसी दिन बहुत अच्छा होता है, किसी दिन कम अच्छा होता है. जिस हम मीडियोकर परफॉर्मेंस भी देते तब भी हमें पता है कि सामने से तालियां बजेगी. तो वो तालियां हमें बहुत मोटिवेट, बहुत एंकरेज करती है. सो बहुत सारी परफॉर्मेंसेस रही है मेरी जहाँ मुझे लगा कि ये तो मेरा बेस्ट था, मुझे आगे भी यही करना है. मेरा पीक पॉइंट में भी मैं तब बोलूँगी जब मैं कॉलेज में आई, व्हेन आई गॉट टू नो दैट आई कैन डू a lot in Western also. So then I had a lot of concept fusing classical with Western. Then I have many visions regarding that. So most probably I'll be working on that only. So yeah.
And who's your idol?
I do not follow any one role. I do not have any as such one role model or something. I have many. Obviously, my guru, Trivittar Jagdishan sir. So he has been a very great inspiration and support. That's say for classical. But now that I am into Western or something, I have a lot of people around me. Like she inspires me a lot.
So when I got into college, I really had this idea that I'd do masters in economics and I'd go for a job, but I'd still do classical and I'd perform. But there was this one point, I think in my second year, when I was talking to a friend who was the president of the Western Dance Team. I was talking to him, and then when I was talking to him, he actually made me realize that there's a lot that we can do if we actually do something that we are so passionate about.
इतनी सारी इंटरेस्टिंग बातें हो चुकी हैं हमारे बीच में. आई एम वेरी क्यूरियस टू नो अबाउट योर अचीवमेंट्स, योर एक्सपीरियंसेस अभी तक. क्या क्या? Everything.
So the first major thing that happened to us in our, I think both of us share it. We performed for the opening ceremony of Commonwealth Games.
But when we were in class 9th.
When we were in class 9th.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that was the first big thing we did. And then when I got up,
First big thing as we also got the payment also, like it was like good 10,000-11,000.
Yeah.
We were like
Your first pay?
Yeah,
Ninth
sort of.
grade.
Yeah, in 9th grade.
that was there. Then when I was in 12th, I gave there's a scholarship by the Delhi government, Sahitya Kala Parishad, which I got when I was I think I was passing out from 12th. Then I got empaneled as a graded artist in Doordarshan, which was, I think. And then since then I've performed around the country, solos, group shows. I think that's sort of the little journey I've had so far.
So yeah, the one she said Commonwealth Games, obviously that was one turning point where
We got more serious.
it was a very big opportunity, very big stage. It was like great experience. Then in class 12 there was a thing we used to have 6 subjects, right? So one was physical education. So there is another interesting thing that we both gave dance ka board exam. So we didn't opt for physical education. So it was just us two from the whole Ramjas. From whole Ramjas, what a lot in the whole CBSE के hall में हम दोनों दूर बैठ के एग्जाम दे रहे थे. She was giving Bharatanatyam and I was giving Kathakali ka. So at that time we didn't know that no one has ever attempted Kathakali ka exam before. So after that we got to know that I got a call from a reporter saying they check कि who gave it, who didn't give it. So that time I got to know that I was the first person to attempt it and I scored like 97 in it. So yeah, it was kind of headlines in the school mein, but yeah, so it was a thing. So that got registered in Limca Book of Records like lately, like this year. So I have got my name in Limca Books of Record. Then Sahitya Kala Academy, this scholarship, I got it like 2 years back. So even I've got that scholarship. My the achievement which I'm going to say is not that big enough or something, but for me it's like very important to me.
What are your viewpoints on Prismat?
Prismat, we've all seen that we see people who finish, who are on top of their game, they're telling us their story, right? So as aspiring artists, it's really important to know exactly what the story is of people in that journey right now. I think, and this is a platform where if people like us are talking, we're still in our process of figuring out life. That's I think people who are yet to get into this will get inspired, or not inspired actually, they'll actually learn if they're trying to do it, if they're doing it this way, they're doing it that way, they can understand the process and how to go about it.
Also, there are like many creative heads out there. It's just not us, but that even if a person who is sketching, if he is getting an opportunity to speak about himself, he would love to do that. Even it's like if people are knowing an ordinary person, and if people are taking out like few seconds from their life and they're actually few minutes and they're actually watching this video, we do make an impact on them, right? In some way or other, we might leave some impact on them, or we might inspire them, or कुछ तो उन पे हम असर छोड़ेंगे. हाँ, वो हमारे बारे में सोचेंगे अपने बिजी स्केड्यूल से कि हाँ ये 2 लड़कियाँ थी, इन्होंने ऐसे बोला. So your opportunity is like very helpful and